today you go be my day. Yeah, me pen kwa me know the parties they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso with me yeah. Me person me come any months so me yeah. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. I pray that today you go be my day. Yeah. Yeah, me pen kwa me know the parties they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso me yeah. Me person me come any months so me yeah. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish.
Every day you want to go buy some food. Okay. Every day you want to go buy some food. Do you like food in a class?
Oh yes, I go to class every day. I've never made a true class.
I'm just saying, do you like food that class?
No, I don't like food.
Oh, I didn't say maybe. Oh, that's nice.
I just go for lunch and breakfast.
Oh, wow. Look at the way you pronounce platform. I like that. I like that.
I've been wanting to ask you this question. What's the meaning of marriage?
Oh, that's good. I like those. Good question. Yeah. The meaning of Umai, like, it's a Hausa language. Like, mom. You come to Akan, like, man. Yeah, that's it. Let's hide it. I'll tell you later.
Okay.
I'll tell you. Why you're funny? You know something? Try to learn something.
So like this.
What try to learn?
Sir, chase. Sir, good one. Sir, I'm eating good one. The class people, they are making money when you reach the business 5. They are making money so if you reach there, then you have it. And say, not me, because you put that question about it. To be asking my people, if I show you, not enough for their shelter. None of the assessment to what it.
No.
Yeah, I'm saying Nana. Yeah. I'm saying Nana. I will say it again. I will repeat ultimate death.
My grandma. Sir,
You don't respect any teacher in this school. Huh?
Yeah,
I said how many times I told you don't call me Sir Change, but you call me Sir Change.
Sir, my I'm very, very sorry.
You know you can call me Sir Imaye, but you try to call me Sir Change.
And I said I'm sorry. I will call you Sir Change for change. I will call you Sir Imaye.
But you call me Sir Change. You say you're not saying.
Then your performance near you. Sir, I'm going to the science lab.
Okay,
go to science.
Oh no, you.
Are you
still stand?
We are going to the science lab and you are standing
Hey,
there.
hey! Are you in teacher in this school?
No, sir.
So what's your problem? If you respect your teacher standing with class, the class girl.
Sir, now we're going to the piano. What are we
Call Besson call. Besson call. The night you be sure that we know. Call Besson call. Yeah, night your woman there. We'll be a night.
I don't know what
I'm not trying to fast it, but then can I near the club with you the blame you? Come in beach. What it? I'm a young Kumafa. Now, what I'll say it again. Don't joke with me. I will see the more punishment. I will give you punishment.
Did I say wrong? Did I say anything wrong?
No.
Now school was a woman post out on quantum of it. We still want again a block of wood. Let it as woman and young thing.
Can I say what we are moving?
I know, oh, block now say young. Was to walk up of young walk up of
something to say. I say science even on the minors.
That is a tea.
And that's now you treat that to school. So, almost Okay.
Come on, look at.
What is pollination? I'm saying we in the mathematics about pollination.
Right, polytechnic.
Pollination.
I say right in polytechnic. Why?
So that is the definition of pollination.
If you come to definition, the definition show you polytechnic.
It is actually pollination. The definition of what is pollination?
The transfer of pollen.
It's a transfer.
He knows.
It's a transfer of it. It's a transfer.
The transfer of pollen from the anther to the stigma of the flower.
No, anther to the stigma.
Where can I get them? To the stigma. One tia, the man wants to believe. They didn't know what to now, who from answer there? Other or corner time for wedding.
The corner now, what it?
Go to class.
Listen, me, no more punishment.
What it? I am going to the
We are born chance. Listen, me,
I'm going to get food and I'll come.
I'm going.
Back up and come. You're my friend there. So you need this here.
Oh, that's it.
So, I'm sorry for your front of you.
I'm getting it.
Oh, I'm calling you.
So Jehovah, hallowed be thy name. Let thy will be done, no, hallowed be thy name. So Jehovah, hallowed be thy name. Oh my ukanya, oh my owurade, hallowed be thy name. So Jehovah, hallowed be thy name. Let thy will be done, no, hallowed be thy name. Oh Jehovah, hallowed be thy name. Oh my ukanya, oh my owurade, hallowed be thy name. Mr. Benji, Adewaka.
Okay, you. What am I saying? Mefro, right.
Can't you see?
Bazamin Kasa,
Yeah, catch you say, school. I don't feel see a young one. And then I'm over to school when young. Education not end. The Biamis from me, I'm a bro for country saying, and you were new.
first with your corner, man.
Look at you.
For my corner,
Mr. Cosco, but not I will slap you. Mr. Cosco, open Pubia Manedina Cosco, we not. And then I'll be say school, yo. A baby kakra just even toilet cry no. One Cosco, you can't stand. One Cosco, Juma cry about being yet. We know young cook Cassa Cambrofo. Now we jump first, okay. Obia what bomb beer the lifestyle, okay. When you show true, okay, well, it will be chatty. I am in your hole.
Of walking in the car and yes,
Huh? And apart from okay, no brother, baby, I'm not betting me. I can.
yes.
You can't, and yes, apart from yes, and a dear
Send me a no.
yes, no, okay, Natalie. It doesn't tell you. Italy. Yes, okay, Italy. And then I will say school, no. But fine. What's you need? But on him, so was saying it. What a walk on just what and every year will be there, say will be paid. But when you saw no any mean or say no. And need your bones here how? And neighbors who are from a person and I'm a pecasa. Now, so young, sir. What a so one cool school. Education is a success. The success is education. How don't you go to school? And you'll be on a baby at school because school. Let me tell you something. Now we're living in scientific world. If you don't go to school, you can't read, you can't do everything. You are useless. You are a useless. I told you. If you don't feel free, it's not about you. I'm a free you.
Aba, you na aka na me no me ya.
Go free him. I tell you, this why na kwete tension am.
Why
Why not? Why in chinam na han? Why?
person buy aduane bi ani
Go and see and chinam. Go. O 19 ati awate. Go. Am be di and na so pin. If you have be to ni ati on. Ade. Adam so tete chinam ho tete ati ho. Abu sika. Hey, be careful, okay? Oh, be careful. How many times I told you don't call me Seer? I say I'm speaking English, now you're speaking English. How many times I told you don't call me Seer?
This school is you. I cannot understand. I said, follow me. I'm going to eat.
How many times I told you in this school don't call me Seer? One now tell one now yes Seer no. One day now kunama ka check. What check? Mufi so be nam school one mufi say or nya stubborn down. And no school for you think you only you are stubborn. I say you think call me Mmaye.
Also teacher ni say be previous and baby when you do near from my no say
Stop rubbish. I'm speaking English. Look at you, you're a student. Hey, what is this? Is this stick or?
say what this?
Yeah, this.
No, it is my bema.
It is your Bema, then your Bema wake up.
It don't wake up, it is sleep.
I see the Bema wake up, then
No,
you tell me say,
if you sleep, this is how it is.
I give you punishment. By the same punishment I give you, the same you call me.
Okay, so the reason why I come here is that I'm coming to forgive you that what I did, Fachemi. It wasn't my intention, sir.
It wasn't your intention, but the same name you call me, I will give you another punishment.
I'm sorry.
That's
sir.
it. I will give you another
That's
punishment.
why I'm from the school and come to your house. It wasn't my intention, sir. I'm very, very sorry.
Look at you. Obia say school uniform my patano. But look at you. What telling you more? Huh? Are you a student?
Sir,
Stupid are you one day?
Maybe school do like.
Get out of here! You told me your Bema is not wake up. But say, look at your Bema.
Sir, that is how it is.
Hey, then you get Bema.
Yeah, Bema the could be. Sir, I'm sorry.
I said I'll give you. I'll give you punishment.
Sir, if you give me punishment, many can school more.
I told you don't call me Sir Chance, but you still call me Sir Chance. I told you call me Sir Mmaye, but you can't call. What do you mean?
Pray that today you go be my day. Yeah, me pen I mean you the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in broso with me yeah. Me person me come any months with your me yeah. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. Pray that today you go be my day.
Abia ma sorry affair me go school me ko trade no. Ah me show na kwa ye be breakfast. Ayi be bibia unam na wo pie wo ko en.
From call me now for no more.
Affair me kwa trade me go school me ko adwuma no. Anka sabe wa prepare me breakfast. Me bibia no. Bibi sa se wo ko en wo se me ko me na fofo no wa na fofo no be mo aduane adi.
If I say me nyehwe na say me.
Listen to me and listen to me very carefully. Enya busua bi na de wo betena ha wo. Mimi ko school and my bomb bra and miss me time. And I'm what passing on my dream was a bra. You do go school and you see a da, you see a sing. You did get in a bishop feed one. I will put upon a home. Now, walk ticket to me, walk ticket. Now, would you know you say, are they? We are better. Are you a better or are you a chama? Ah, are they? A true prayer made me good more about prepare me breakfast. No, we don't know for any I don't know one cow.
So the Biana Tian no doors on the door.
Sure, what's Salawati? A told be an at the doors. What's he die? What's he die? Huh? Adams, what's he die? I'm talking then you say at the doors. What about at the What about me? Why me? Why? I think that the Bia person with Baba Manu. No make a sasa. Is it clear?
Because I'm the one open out.
Shut up! Shut the fucking mouth here. I'm talking, then you talking. Ah, Beka. Adia wuni uye pefe your right present set me quite juma. Kasabe me kon me breakfast. What prepare bibia de esi wono. Wonam na no na fofo bo akohwi. Ah?
Fo akohwi.
Na ediamo ye nya akohwi bo no.
Yakofa adwen.
Okofa ade adwen na mokofa.
Ofa so me bo bra to say.
Me see ko school, me ka say bo bra. Education, ko school. Na one ko school a obejimi o tom. Kwalo to John Bu John Tele John Jollof. Can't go prepare birthday man ko prepare mama ni so ntete me. Tese munya sauce ni bi shi ya tese wawie me wa. Wawie 50 cent 70 the game 7 na yemode. Come on enter. Wow.
Right now we bank.
Ko na mama ni so ntete me. Shegantaka.
No, but enchinam no asound too bad.
Don't ever touch my enchinam. Don't ever touch the chiefy. Okay? Why is son who pay chiefy are?
Aroma. The most unserious candidate. The most unserious serious candidate. Guy, can you wait a bit? You go down there. I will go check some money. Aroma, I didn't feel you wrong. Why are you looking at me like that?
Now, oh, they made the many well now. Oh, have found out who's a me help. Ah,
have you forgotten who you're talking to?
better watch it.
Only me na kasa sa no Opoku.
Whoa, ah, we your school about Naza, your wine.
No, who do you think you are?
Maza, Mammy Cassie Mitro. And who say be out your killer and I say, oh, she to know. Ubeti me, I'm a low be out school.
Okay,
Obia no be out.
Yaro,
Obia free in the baby, and ye never pay more school. And ye na by see a besuan there, I must see a what
and you have to know that they are distance. They are.
Okay.
Hey, Master, me what do me do? Come me tell.
Where
Me torture mo say me na eh.
Ako enu wa Jimmy ana.
Yasi me wasi me sua de nko an.
Fanboy a washe. Me hu bi da. Me first time ni. Fanboy a washe. Fanboy nice guy. Odo life ama enkwasiafo na wo ni omo hye na wo Jimmy. Ya wa bra ba school ma me nim se. Wo ma me tifie o nim se wo sua de. Na amada achi bi no say bi wo so abehwe no. What is school man na wo Jimmy?
I know how you are doing this.
You know what I'm doing.
Because who ni say o mo me no mo kosa agidi minti no. Minti fa bi ma so on. Opoku,
I don't care to
I don't fear nobody, not even the teacher. So I don't fear anybody, man. We are not bull fucking man.
I be ma wo betimi ma toto. Me metimi no what toto. Why are you going? Why are you going back? I
Hey, what is this around nonsense? What are you two up to? Opoku.
Madam.
Nuruddin. What is happening here?
Madam, the guy wants to take my leniency as my weakness, and I won't accept that.
Me, my weakness. Madam, I'm going my somewhere, and you meet me here. You meet me now. You started insulting me. Look at all this, madam.
I started insulting you.
Shut up, both of you. Nuruddin.
Madam.
Opoku.
Madam.
Do you know that fighting is against the ethics and norms of this institution? Anyway, I have noticed this animosity between you two.
I'm in the so.
Opoku, if I say animosity, I mean you both are being hostile to each other. And as to what is brewing such, I can't tell. So you know what? You two should come to my office. ASAP. I mean, as soon as possible. Okay?
Oh, Jimmy, no problem.
Madam, you see how he insults me? Hey, master.
Are you abusing him in front of me?
No, madam. You see, I was working. Oh, me. Hey.
And what did I do? Did I insulted you?
Have mercy upon me.
Enough of this banter. You two should see me in my office.
Madam,
I would have to see to it that these recalcitrant behaviors of yours are eschewed.
Madam, you can sort it here.
I don't know.
Madam.
Fire me! No excuses. No buts.
Hey. Madam, we are coming. Madam, we are coming. We are following you. We are coming.
Come on, take them. And you follow suit. March to my office.
Madam, you say they are obey. I don't know the me and doctor.
You are a troublemaker. Opoku, what is happening?
The boy has punched me.
Opoku.
Madam, the boy has punched me.
Stop faking. Get going.
I have ulcer. I'm a static patient. The boy
Opoku, an ulcer patient is what?
I was static patient. The boy has punched me.
Opoku, how did you manage to enter this institution?
Constitution.
I mean the school.
Oh, madam, I say what's in your children about?
And how were you able to pass your WASI? God.
Only God can tell.
It's indeed a miracle.
Madam, let me go to the sick bay.
Hurry up to my office!
Upon all the punch.
How did he punch you?
Madam, the boy punched me.
It happened right under my nose. He didn't punch you. Get going. Opoku, go to my office.
Madam, to me come in chair office.
I don't care. Hurry up, Opoku! I don't have your time.
Punch him. Hurry up, madam. Hurry up.
Opoku, mana moto. Rofana sa wonti amese mana moto. Ka wona kwana tene wumu. Hey.
Yes, mama na mom.
Opoku, you have to go back to class 1. I swear.
Madam, are you disgracing me?
You're being factual.
Madam, how can I go back to class?
You cannot make a complete sentence right. That's what I can't fathom. How did you manage to come here? Who wrote your exam for you?
Madam, me myself. Me myself, I wrote my exam. So why are you degrading me to class 1? Oh, madam.
This is surprising.
Madam.
This is surprising.
Madam, boy, we know, madam, one way, yeah, madam. School one way, will be kunkum for. Anyway, yeah, no, I depend will be any. Oh, when you say be a man in any semi, your office in Tiraze, me try to do so. What the pair will be any?
When did this happen?
Madam, what the pair will be any man. Nasa case, so not a man penny for him as a mountain. Sabo and idea, my no more in India. Of a problem about school.
It's okay. And I will personally ensure if the story is true, he will be apprehended.
Yes, so apprehended.
Let's go. Opoku, get going.
Upon the Makanya, get going.
Yeah.
Madam, when you are block crowd, will be a bomb incident to get going. Oh. So, go 1 mile more to die.